Hi, my name is Antonio Martin of the Martin Law Group. I am the attorney and managing member of the Martin Law Group, where we help creative investors close real estate deals. Today, we are going to talk within the area of real estate regarding ejectments. Now, what is an ejectment? An ejectment is a legal cause of action within the area of real estate to remove someone from a property from a title holder, so there's a title holder that's involved, and a non-title holder. Ejectments typically do not have a landlord-tenant relationship, so they are unable to utilize the summary administrations from a landlord-tenant eviction. Oftentimes, ejectments relate to family members or even maybe a squatter or something to that effect that may be involved in the property. That's essentially what an ejectment is. Now, how long is it going to take for an ejectment to take place? And the answer is, it depends. Typically, an ejectment is going to take a bit longer than a typical eviction process. And there's one particular reason for this. One is that in the summons, an eviction only requires a 5-day notice for purposes of having an individual respond, where an ejectment actually has a 20-day notice in order to have that particular possessor of the property respond. So they are similar in that there's typically a title holder and there's typically a possessor, but that possessor does not have a landlord-tenant relationship. Okay? And they have 20 days to be able to respond in an ejectment. The other thing that affects the amount of time for an ejectment action are the types of defenses that a possessor may bring up. So if a possessor actually has a title interest or inherited the property, so they believe because of a family member passing, all of those things the court would have to consider in order to make a formal decision for when the final judgment of ejectment would and should be entered. However, what's certain is that once the ejectment is complete, if the possessor of the property does not remove themselves, the court will issue what's called a writ of possession. And when the writ of possession is signed by the clerk or by the court, then the sheriff will then get involved to post that writ of possession on the door. And from that point in time, the possessor will only have 24 hours to be able to vacate the property. If you believe you have an ejectment action, or if you're having an issue removing a family member from a property that you own, feel free to give the Martin Law Group a call. Give us an opportunity to give you the necessary advice to even determine if the ejectment action is something that's right for you. We can be reached at 863-949-0892. Or if you just have a simple question, you can certainly go to our Q&A page at www.callmartinlawgroup.com, or you can schedule an appointment with us, giving us an opportunity to give you the necessary advice and legal acumen that may be helpful in assisting you through your legal matter, and that can be done on Facebook or LinkedIn. This is Antonio Martin of the Martin Law Group, where we help creative investors close real estate deals. Thank you so much for watching.